Hey there, fellow seekers of harmony. Are you ready to embark on a musical journey that will not only enrich your soul but also empower your life? Well, you're in the right place because today I'm inviting you to join our incredible community here at Earn Online Lesotho Hymnal channel. But wait, you might be wondering, why should I become a member of this channel? What's in it for me? Let me tell you, being a member of our community isn't just about supporting our channel, it's about unlocking a world of possibilities for yourself. Now, I could sit here and tell you all about the exclusive perks and benefits you'll receive as a member, like access to premium tutorials, downloadable sheet music, and personalized coaching sessions. But you know what? I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to challenge you. Yes, you heard me right. I'm challenging you to take a leap of faith, to invest in yourself, and to seize the opportunity to be part of something truly special. Because here's the thing. When you become a member of our community, you're not just joining a channel, you're joining a family that will support you, encourage you, and cheer you on every step of the way. So here's my offer. For as little as 10, 20, or $50 per month, you can become a member of our community and unlock a world of possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned pianist or a complete beginner, there's a place for you here. So what are you waiting for? Join us today and let's make beautiful music together. Trust me, you won't regret it. I'll see you on the other side.